what's up guys, it's Deezy. Back with another video. I'm going to be doing a flight test and review on the Breeze 4K. Here comes the video. We'll see you guys in a few. Hey guys, it's Deezy. Back with that review. Breeze 4K, it's a pretty good little drone. I wouldn't say that I was highly impressed, but for what this drone is and what it's made for, it works pretty good. 4K camera is okay. There's a few things that I really think that this drone is lacking, which is some sort of gimbal. Even if it's a one-axis gimbal, it gets really jello-y and shaky and jerky in the wind. It jerks around, you know, when it's trying to keep stabilized. The video jerks around, but I mean, you can edit that with, you know, some stabilization software. No big deal, but I honestly think that they should have put some sort of gimbal in it. Being that it's from Yuneec, I was expecting, you know, it to be a little bit better. But all in all, I mean, for just a late beginner or a early moderate flyer, this would be a pretty good little selfie drone for you. It's a pretty good price on it, $199 at Walmart. It's worth the $199. I'll probably give this one 4 out of 5 stars, maybe 3.5, somewhere in there, because like I said, it's lacking a few things. It's a little complicated to learn how to start using it. But if you by yourself and you don't have any kind of distractions and you pay attention to what you're doing, it's actually kind of easy if you can concentrate enough to follow the instructions. I had a problem with it first, but I was really tired when I first tried it, and the next time I tried it, I got it set up right and everything. The video got a little choppy at about 150 feet up and about 210 feet out. The video started freezing a little bit. You might see that in the video. I lost Bluetooth connection one time. Wi-Fi connection chopped out one time and it started coming back, but then it caught itself again, and I didn't lose Wi-Fi connection again after that. But all in all, this is a pretty good little drone. You guys might like to, to get this drone if you're not very experienced. Once again, it's the Breeze 4K. This is Daisy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.